Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I am going to open this little jewelry making kit, and we're going to make something. Looks like it's going to be a pair of earrings, but other than that, I'm not really for sure what it is. Alright, let me cut this thing open, and let's pour all the contents out. So we have ear wires. This looks like maybe 24 gauge wire. We've got 4 little crystals. These are acrylic. They're not glass. Let's see what the instructions say. Let me move this aside. Look at the instructions. DIY kit from Cousin. Now, a friend of mine gave me this kit. She says, hey, you may have fun with this. Oh, look. So this is what we're going to make. Very boho. In fact, I think I'm going to use this for my May Be Creative, because it is all about boho. All right, so the kit component list. 4 6 by 8 millimeter silver gold rondelle beads, which they do have a little bit of gold and silver there. 2 acrylic teardrops. 1 38-inch length of 24 gauge silver copper wire. 2 silver fishhook earrings. Okay, so that's what's included. And the tools, which are not included, are round nose pliers. It says needle nose pliers. I don't have needle nose pliers, but I do have these flat nose pliers, and they're going to work just as well. I do believe. We'll see. And wire cutters. We have the wire cutters here. Techniques to know. Form a wrapped loop and wire wrapping. Okay, so those are the techniques we're going to use. By the way, right here is the custom service email address of the Cousin company. All right, kit instructions. So it says to cut the wire into 2 equal pieces, fold the wire in half, twist to form a simple loop. Okay, these are all very basic techniques. I'll put these away. Let me shove these over here. Let's undo this wire. Usually when I work with wire, I work on the spool, but this time I'm going to follow the instructions. All right, we got this all out. Whoop. And they want us to cut it in half. I want to make sure I don't want to kink it. Cut the 24 gauge wire into 2 pieces. Fold. Okay, so boom. So we got 2 pieces. Set one aside. And it says fold the wire in half and twist to form a simple loop at the fold. Okay, so I'm going to go up to here. And I'm going to use my round nose pliers. And I think I want to make it a little bit smaller. Okay. So I'm going to twist. And this is slip on 2 silver gold beads. Separate the wires and split one end each side crisscross through the teardrop bead. Oh, okay. So we're going to put both of these ends in that hole. Okay, there's one. Do that again. Here we go. And I think I'm going to, let's see. Yeah, I wanted to make sure these go all the way up. We had a little bit of a gaposis there. Okay. So then, looks like we're going to take this, slip onto, okay, okay. Separate the wires and slip one end through each crisscross through the teardrop bead. So I want one side and then the other side. Just shimmy it up there as best you can. Okay, we want to make sure that this is on the top there and not on the side. See how that's kind of going to the side? We do not want that. This is very fiddly. Let's see. Okay. Make sure we get that. Okay, I think this is going to be covered up with a lot of wiring, so I think it's going to be okay. It says begin wrapping the wires around the top of the teardrop. Yeah. Wrap all of the first wire around the teardrop and most of the second wire. So this is going to be covered. It looks terrible, but I wouldn't worry about it. I do want to make sure it's tight though. So I messed with it a little bit more. I had to bring it closer to my body and I kind of used that as leverage and tightened that up, and that's what it looks like. So I'm going to take one of these sides and I'm just going to start wrapping around and around and around, and just messily, kind of up and down and around. Okay, now I'm toward the end. So now I'm going to kind of tuck that in a little bit. And then I'm going to take this wire and do the same, about halfway using it. Go around. Okay, so now I'm going to go, I want to go up around these beads, wrapping them. Go around here a couple times, and then around here. I probably could have gone more down there, but that's okay. It just gives me a little bit more wire to put up here. Okay, I want to make sure to tuck that guy in. These are pretty cool. All right, can't get these open. Oh my goodness. Whew, okay, that was probably the hardest part. All right, now I'm just going to open these wires, or this wire, and I'm going to hang this down. Now I want to make sure that it's hanging correctly, so we'll make it, just kind of turn it. Isn't that pretty? Let me get the other one done. And here they are all finished. Perfect little boho earrings for the Be Creative Boho Challenge. I host this challenge on my other channel called Be Creative with Terry Jeanette every month. I give a different word or phrase for you to create around. On this channel, of course, I'll always be making jewelry of some sort. The other channel, I do something different all the time. And you don't have to make jewelry. I would love for you to join in and show me your creativeness. This month, like I said, it's boho, so the hashtag will be Creative Boho. If you join in, let me know by tagging me so I can go check your channel out and see what you've created. And like I said, you don't have to create jewelry. You can draw, paint, sew, show off a collection, cook. Trying to think what else you could do. There's all different kinds of stuff. So be creative and join us. I'm really loving how these turned out, and I may make another pair with some of the stash that I have on hand. But I think I'm going to give these back to my friend that gave me the kit. I think she'll like them. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.